this is a repair procedure for these Anytime CPR mannequins. They, as you know, will bust pretty soon. You won't be able to blow them up. So the first thing to do is to strip out the lungs. You don't need those anyway. So just tear them off of the mannequin and get rid of them. The second thing is to get 1x4 and cut it in about 4-inch length pieces. Okay, you're going to need 2 of those. You set them underneath there, and then you take a drill and drill 2 holes. And then you take a number 10 1-inch screw and you screw these things in. Now your mannequin works better.